Laketown Wharf. We're going to give you guys a condo tour today of 1318. We just sold this, and the new owner has replaced some things in here. And if you want to rent it, we're going to show you around so that you can see how cool this spot is. But before we go inside, and I let my wife talk, yes, I'm a chatterbox. Look at the Gulf today. In fact, let me turn this around. I think it's the most beautiful day in February so far this year. Because it's like the 3rd, right?
I love all the shades of emerald blue is just amazing.
It's phenomenal.
How about sitting over here and watching that view? Let me fix the pillow for you.
Oh, so sweet. Wow. You know, we had some pretty cold weather a few days ago or last week, but this is probably the prettiest day of the year so far. I think in December, we had some days that were just as pretty as this, but the color of the Gulf.
It never gets old.
Some days it's a 9, other days it's an 11. Today,
it's a 12.
Today yeah, you know, I like it. I was going to say today's an 11, but you're probably right. It might be a 12. It's stunning. Okay,
let's get to it.
let's get inside.
Hey, let me tell you this. I love what they did here. They put some outdoor carpet.
Yeah,
and it feels nice. It's clean, and it's, it's suiting to...
A little squishy, so it's comfortable to walk on.
It is.
I thought maybe it's my
Plush shoes?
My new Brooks running shoes for all the running I don't do. I know I need to develop better habits. More condo tours, less computer work. This is the fun part of what we do. So, long story short, if you buy a condo with us and you want a little bit of extra promotion, if you're going to turn it into a vacation rental, that's just part of the perks of working with us. Besides, you get all of my wife's lovely brains, her expertise.
Right. We'll make a video of your rental.
Yeah, so we'll make a video of your rental. By the way, if you're wanting to book this unit, we're going to leave a link in the description down below so you can go ahead and handle that.
So this is, if we haven't said yet, is a 1-bedroom with a private bunk area and 2 full bathrooms, king-size bed in the master bedroom or primary bedroom, whatever you want to call.
Oh, I know. Whatever happened with that? Did the MLS ban it and then lift it? Or
No.
I think they ruled, NAR, the National Association of Realtors, ruled that it was not an offensive term and it was never meant to be. So they're like, whatever.
Large closet to put your suitcases and everything.
I know I'm getting off topic, right?
Right. Keeping you focused.
But you guys come for the jokes too, right? And some of the useless facts that don't really matter for the topic at hand. But anyhow, here's your shower tub combo. You got a corner caddy here for all your bath toys, rubber duckies, etc.
That's cute.
You know, this particular owner is very particular. So we're going to see another one after this. If you guys stay tuned in the playlist, we've actually done a condo tour for this owner. This specific owner has a few, right?
Yeah, he has several units in the building.
We've done some tours of his other units as well.
So here's your barn door for your private bunk area. Then hides the electric piano when it's
thermostat
closed. Very nice.
And if you're really small, you can jump up and down on the top bunk. Just kidding.
So private area for the kiddos. You can put them to sleep. And then have popcorn and watch a movie in the living room.
Okay. We got another full bathroom here because it's important. You know, the more people you have, No one wants to take turns, right?
No carpet, LVP in the living area, so that's nice. Because I personally don't like carpet.
Look. The owner's closet is open. You hardly ever get to see in those, so you might have to rewind it to see how special the owner's closet is and what they're hiding.
I love the shiplap detail, stainless steel appliances.
They wrapped the island here, didn't they?
Yeah.
And also that side wall as you're approaching the kitchen has a nice detail.
They do have my favorite.
The track lighting?
No, the Keurig coffee maker.
Okay.
Because, you got to have that. Absolutely.
Yep.
That's my
Non-negotiable?
non-negotiable when I go on vacation or somewhere else away from home. I got to have my Keurig.
Unless your husband is booking the room and then he's just like, go downstairs and get coffee for me.
No.
See, that's why it's a non-negotiable for her. She doesn't want to leave, and she knows I'm not going to leave the room in the morning. What a sweetheart.
I love the track lighting, updated.
I was trying to give you a subtle cue to check out the track lighting,
Oh, really?
but you were stuck on coffee.
And then all the blue walls matching with the golf. So when you're in here, you feel that like you out there.
Yes, there's a lot of personality in here. You're at the beach, but when the sun goes down and you can't look at it anymore, you just flip on the lights in here and...
Hey, look at the little birds.
I know, she pointed the wrong way.
I like those birds.
Let's get back over there.
What are they called?
I think they're called sandpipers.
Yeah, they're cute.
If someone knows differently, you can go ahead and leave a comment and tell me. You can correct me. Rage bait me. Let's take another look at the beautiful...
Back to what you're here for. The view.
I know. Nice unit, for sure.
I mean,
But I just want to stay out here all day.
this is lovely. The view is amazing.
I could just sit here all day. I know we have another condo we were invited to tour, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that on the screen right now for you guys to click on to the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, if you want to book this, check the description area for the link to do so. See you on the next one, you guys.
Happen out.